possibly go wrong?
Lung break kìa. Lung break cho em.
So, what do you say, me hearty? Are you ready for some good, clean, ruthless, swashbuckling, simmering, wholesome family boy?
God, this look like a real. Oh no. Haunted house.
It's the greatest show in Clifton Hill. Family fun for all ages.
Đi lâu trở lại mua mà đâu là.
User, yes, you. And you escape the confusion of curtain chaos. Are you brave enough to try?
Haunted castle. Skywheel rides.
오가비야. 오가비.
Boleh ku jalan belum?
엄마 됐어라 보이죠? 다시.
왜?
오늘은 미. यार भैया फौज में है, देखते हैं भैया का निशाना कैसा है.
Hey, City Sneaker, warm up your trigger fingers because you're about to have a shooting good time with the Clifton Hillbillies. Clifton Hill's famous interactive electronic shooting gallery that's fun.
필요하다 난 감들라 기분 이런가.
How many points you can rack up as you wake up cramps, knock down
필요.
cannons, knock down shells,
온몸 날린. 야,
break mirrors, spin
몸 열심히 하다.
and play some good old hillbilly rock. Only the best customers can get the fun. Hey, City Sneaker, warm up your trigger fingers because you're about to have a shooting good time with the Clifton Hillbillies. Clifton Hill's famous interactive electronic shooting gallery that's fun for the whole family. See how many points you can rack up. Wake up cramps.
아?
Break mirrors. Spin the
송송 넣어봐, 송송.
some good old hillbilly rock. Only the best gunsmithers can get the party on. You little rascal. Find the right target and squirt your friends with water. Careful though, hit the wrong target and you might get wet yourself.
가가보자.
Stop shooting. You'll be giving me nightmares.
일어나.
TV 엄청
일어나.
엄청
Shoot someone else. Shorty. Can't you see I'm trying to read?
꼴로 썰어. 여기다가 주스에다가 딱 막히지.
Hey, City Slicker, warm up your trigger fingers because you're about to have a shooting time with the Clifton Hillbillies. Clifton Hill's famous interactive electronic shooting gallery.
뒤를 썰어, 뒤.
항어는 세전하고 항아는
You can laugh at as you wake up drunk. Tin cans knocked on shelves.
항용 용필 본.
Bring beers, spin the cuckoo clock, and play some good old hillbilly rock. Only the best gunslingers can get this kind of mouse.
House ups and downs. Okay, so we are going to have a food here, Rajdhani Sweden restaurant. So we already been here last time when we visit here, Niagara Falls. Wow, sweets. Wow, the Guru restaurant. We came here, the Guru Indian cuisine. Okay, let's enter. Wow, it's nice. Chili paneer, chili chicken, veggie momo, chicken momo.
넌 이슈 되어 아빠 넌 이슈 되어 램랑은
And one dal makhni, right? I said dal makhni. And
램랑이라 오느니
anything rice?
Rice is
Rama.
Biryani? Yeah.
Shisha kira shisha.
Oh, biryani. Biryani shahang biryani zare ba. Lamb biryani zare ma chicken biryani zare.
치킨 나왔죠?
Yeah, one chicken biryani. So how much it is now? Chicken, one
The-
butter garlic naan.
Dal makhni, kadai lamb, chicken biryani, one garlic naan.
치킨 더 막추니 치킨 플레이트
Chicken ngakshini.
버터 치킨
Butter chicken game hang.
My butter chicken
curry.
game.
Chicken or chicken tikka masala.
Chicken manchurian.
Chicken which one is famous?
Spicy, you like spicy?
Yeah, spicy.
Chicken tikka masala.
Yeah?
뭐죠 치킨 맛살
No, it's
Pork masala?
in the thick, right? No.
코튼 셀리미 치킨
Yeah, do one chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Yeah.
Chicken manchurian,
No, right?
Chili chicken.
Yeah,
chicken curry.
chicken curry.
Absolutely. Plain rice naan.
I think that's enough, right?
Breads are not enough.
Bread no, no, no.
Only one
chicken
bread.
import, don't you? Bread
Plain
not
rice
enough,
possible.
so do one butter naan then. I think butter naan is very famous, right?
Butter naan, garlic naan, both.
Yeah, so one butter naan. Or maybe do, since it's same almost, right?
Yeah.
So do one butter garlic naan and one lacha parantha. How's tandoori roti?
Garlic naan and one roti.
Same rice.
Plain rice.
Plain rice, yeah.
Curry ngak semua biryani jangan.
No, bilang ini. Yeah.
잠매가 잠시만 나시
So
And
dal makhni, chicken curry,
Sambil ada?
kadai lamb,
Biar je.
steamed
비어
rice, one garlic naan, one roti.
Bong jam kan tu.
and hang jabata.
Biar.
아빠도 잠이미
You have Heineken?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bong
So,
medium biar.
2 Heineken and ani hang jabi.
Wine jam naan.
Ah.
원나나
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Pinevasam. Cheers. Jamshom. Now this is butter naan, right? And tandoori naan.
Garlic naan,
And
tandoori roti,
And
dal
this
makhni.
dal makhni. Wow.
kadai lamb,
Karai lamb. Yeah, tahu na tayo barka.
chicken curry.
And chicken curry,
And the spring rice.
rice. Oh, the portion is okay.
दाल के मुना दाल बहुत सारा हो
라바 씨.
ये चिकन
Namla mo chut padola no.
라바 씨 남잖아.
Apa pin?
야, 자. 라바.
Miao
라바
miao.
메모.
Apo majisha shamani masti.
포기했어.
How you chicken? Miao. Oh yeah, dal makhni. Dal makhni shi puchana ani pide.
दाल मखनी
Chili jasa chili.
너무 잘한다
Inside and cast your spells with Harry Potter and Frodo.
There is always magic in pictures. So come, take a selfie with your favorite stars today. How did Jennifer Lawrence get through Jewel Class?
How?
A few moments later.
Okay, first time with husband. We are going to US border. Okay, so we have to pay $1 for a toll rate. What happened? Okay, so once you pay $1, this open. So transit pay, you have to pay for $1. Okay, so this is the US bridge. Canada and US bridge. So false. Okay, now we already entered to the US for the first time. हमने US में enter कर लिया है guys. Custom clear हो गया. Okay, this is a US Niagara Falls State Park to USA. And then US flag. Now guys, look at the falls from the USA. So we enter to US, and that part is Canada. So देखो नज़ारा from USA falls. देखो कैसी पानी. तो हमने एंटर कर लिया यूएस में. वाव, बढ़िया बढ़िया.